Because our employment impacts our happiness, it's only logical that we're always on the search for the best opportunities available. A fantastic job is one that allows you to pursue your career ambitions while also making a lot of money. A nice work atmosphere, retirement savings plans, appropriate working hours, prospects for career progress, and a very attractive compensation are all factors that contribute to wonderful employment. However, incomes appear to be the most obvious criteria to use in determining the finest occupations. Therefore, we've compiled a list of the top 25 jobs available that pay really well. We use data from the United States Federal Bureau of Labor Statistics. So make sure to watch this video to the end if you want to know about these jobs. This is Financial Intellect, where we promote the to be finance savvy. We are your buddy. Now let's get right into the video. 1. Neurosurgeon. Neurosurgeons spend years in medical school honing their skills, and they're handsomely compensated for it. Neurosurgery is arguably the most difficult sort of surgery, so to practice it, you must have extremely high levels of expertise. Neurosurgeons get an average yearly salary of $382,000, with renowned practitioners earning millions of dollars. This job is at the very top of the list if you're looking for the best jobs available. 2. Surgeon. Neurosurgeons aren't the only surgeons who make six figures a year. Other surgeons are also among the top earners. A surgeon spends years in medical school and then more years mastering a specialty in a specific field, which explains why there are less than 40,000 surgeons in the United States. Surgeons earn an average yearly compensation of $265,000, making it one of the greatest careers you can have. It is nevertheless a highly tough job. Surgeons deal with life and death circumstances on a regular basis, and they can spend hours in the operating room. 3. Orthodontist. There are fewer than 10,000 orthodontists in the United States, and when demand exceeds supply, wages climb dramatically. Orthodontists are experts in teeth straightening and braces installation. Orthodontists earn an average of $225,320 per year. 4. Gynecologist. As previously stated, if you're looking for one of the greatest occupations on the market, the medical field is your best bet. Gynecologists are doctors who specialize in women's health, particularly reproductive health. They are also well compensated, with an annual salary of $238,000 possible. 5. Anesthesiologist. A career that necessitates 4 years of medical school, 4 years of residency, and a master's degree must pay well, and it must pay handsomely. Anesthesiologists have one of the best occupations in the world. They save lives and are well compensated for it. Before, during, and after surgery, anesthesiologists administer anesthesia. Anesthesiologists earn an average of $267,000 a year. 6. General Medical Practitioner. Medical practice is one of the most rewarding and well-paid professions. There are ordinary medical practitioners and specialist medical practitioners in the medical industry. General practitioners are the first people to contact when seeking medical treatment since they have a broad range of medical knowledge. They are in charge of referring patients to specialists. General practitioners can earn up to $203,000 per year. 7. Pediatrician. They are in charge of how children are treated, and they are well compensated for it. It's one of the most rewarding jobs on the planet. A pediatrician can make up to $183,000 per year in addition to the gratification of helping a child get better. 8. Dentist. It's safe to say you were forewarned, and the truth is that medical professionals just dominate the lucrative positions. Dentists are dental professionals who diagnose and treat gum and tooth diseases. To earn your license, you'll need a dental degree and some further training, but the salary should be plenty to motivate you. Dentists earn an average of $175,000 per year. 9. Nurse Anesthetist. Nurses are well compensated. However, nurse anesthetists are the highest paid nurses. Nurse anesthetists can earn an average yearly salary of $175,000, which is higher than engineers and software developers. They are in charge of providing anesthesia during surgeries and other medical procedures. During surgeries, they support surgeons and anesthesiologists. 10. Pharmacists. Pharmacists are essential to medical practitioners and play a critical part in our health. They interpret prescriptions and ensure that patients receive the correct medications and dosage. A pharmacy degree is required to work as a pharmacist. Nonetheless, the years you spent in education will be handsomely compensated. Pharmacy technicians can make up to $130,000 each year. 11. Psychiatrist. They take care of our mental health, so it is only reasonable that they are well compensated. Psychiatrists earn an average yearly compensation of $220,380, making it one of the highest paid positions in the world. 12. Investment banker. The villains of the 2008 financial crisis were investment bankers. Despite this setback, they continue to make a lot of money every year. A good investment banker can make up to $209,000 per year. Market research, financial report analysis, establishing and upgrading financial models, and making investment decisions on behalf of customers are all part of the work. If you're interested, you'll need to be an expert in mathematics and have an MBA. 13. Chief Executive. Who knew the bosses were highly compensated? CEOs can earn millions of dollars in base salary and bonuses each year. Nonetheless, chief executives earn around $200,000 each year on average. It's a management position that necessitates a diverse set of abilities and credentials. As a result, they are well deserving of their large salaries. 14. Pilot and flight engineer. Being a pilot requires years of intensive training and expensive equipment, so it's no wonder that pilots are among the highest paid professionals. It's one of the few jobs on this list that doesn't always necessitate a college diploma, but you must meet a certain height, eyesight, and hearing standards. Pilots earn an average of $170,000 per year. But pilots are not alone when piloting a plane. Flight engineers accompany them. The engineer is in charge of the aircraft's navigation equipment and can earn up to $128,000 per year. 15. Petroleum engineer. People that drill for black gold are well compensated. Petroleum engineers must not only have a relevant degree, but also be skilled in a variety of software applications. They are in charge of designing and developing oil and natural gas extraction machines and platforms. Petroleum engineers earn an average annual income of $155,000. 16. Software engineer. It's one of the most rewarding careers available. You get to use your imagination to design and build technology solutions while also getting compensated well. A software engineer also does not require a college diploma. If you have a passion for coding, you can just enroll in online coding boot camps to learn the skills and obtain the credentials you need to land your ideal career. Software engineers earn an average annual pay of $153,000. 17. Podiatrist. They don't go to medical school and receive a DPM or Doctor of Podiatric Medicine instead of a medical degree. They do, however, make up to $148,000 each year. They are foot doctors who treat infections in the feet as well as other health problems. 18. Architectural manager. Construction project planning and coordination pay highly, with salaries as high as $146,000 per year. 18. Marketing manager. Marketing managers create and implement marketing strategies for the companies for which they work. The role comprises a wide range of duties, including developing marketing campaigns, establishing and implementing promotional strategies, managing the marketing team, and ensuring that everything is done within the marketing budget's constraints. The pay for marketing managers varies depending on the industry. A marketing manager can still make up to $145,000 per year. 20. Financial manager. If you're in charge of millions of dollars for a customer, you should expect to be fairly compensated for your efforts as well. Financial managers earn an average annual compensation of $146,000. The job's requirements are extensive, which explains the high pay. They coordinate their clients' financial planning and investment operations. They also assist their clients in the acquisition of assets like real estate and other types of assets. 21. Attorney. Lawyers play an important role in our society. They defend accused people in court, defend clients in civil disputes, and assist families in managing and transferring assets from one generation to the next. Lawyers in the US must first get a bachelor's degree before enrolling in law school, therefore it's no wonder that they earn a lot of money. Although some lawyers earn 7 figures each year, the average lawyer's annual pay is $144,000. 22. Sales Manager. They are responsible for the distribution of goods and services to clients, and they also direct all of their department's resources toward meeting the year's sales goals. They analyze consumer behavior to stay in touch with customer preferences and track sales figures to guarantee these targets are met. Sales managers earn an average of $141,000 a year. 23. Natural Sciences Managers. Life Sciences Managers include laboratory managers, research managers, health sciences managers, fisheries managers, and environmental program managers. Mathematics, biological sciences, statistics, and physical sciences are all required for these positions. In their respective positions, they primarily coordinate research and development. They are among the world's wealthiest people with annual earnings of up to $140,000. 24. Web Developers. The internet is a critical pillar of our modern society, and the new wealth has accumulated through this over the last decade. Web developers are responsible for the millions of websites and thousands of applications that we use on a daily basis. To work as a web developer, you don't need a college diploma. You can gain the necessary skills and become a certified web developer through a variety of online programs. Web developers with advanced skills might make up to $135,000 per year. 25. Compensation and Benefits Managers. The profession of human resource management pays handsomely, with compensation and benefits managers earning the most. In the organizations where they work, they are in charge of planning and implementing compensation and benefit plans for employees and managerial personnel. A pay and benefits manager's annual salary might reach $132,000 per year. And those are the 25 best-paying jobs in the world today. What about you? What is your job? Does it pay well? Let us know in the comment section below. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this. And with that, thank you very much for watching. If you like what you've watched, stay tuned for more videos. Bye, financial buddies!